Hey, so if you want to record your screen for tutorials, demos, or content creation, yeah, ShareX makes it super easy, and it's completely free. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to record your screen using ShareX. First, open ShareX on your computer. Once it's running, you'll see all the capture and recording options. Next, click on Capture and select Screen Recording or Screen Recording GIF, depending on what you want. If this is your first time, ShareX may ask you to install additional tools like FFmpeg. Just follow the prompt and install it. Now, choose the area you want to record. You can drag to select a region or record the full screen. Once selected, recording will start automatically. You can now perform actions on your screen while it records. To stop recording, press the stop hotkey or use the taskbar icon. ShareX will process your recording instantly. After recording, your file will open for preview. It's automatically saved and you can access it anytime. And finally, you can upload your recording and get a shareable link instantly if you've set up auto upload. So yeah, that's how to record your screen using ShareX. Once you get used to it, it's a super powerful tool for creating tutorials and content. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech guides.